Hello, welcome to Comment Reaction by View. And today I would like to take you through some easy steps to make an African bean stew. Yes, if you're a busy mom, you're a working lady, and you have no time, it's simple. So already I boil my beans and keep it in the refrigerator so that when I'm ready to make my bean stew, it will become easier. Okay, so you bring out the beans from the refrigerator, then you add your palm oil as most bean stews are being made. Even though some people use normal cooking oil, but I prefer palm oil. So you pour it over the beans like this. So you see, when I dip the spoon inside, you can see that there is no oil at the end of them. I just poured the palm oil on the beans right in. I have my stew, already prepared stew. As I told you, this is a quick meal. It's a quick meal. So you boil your beans apart in larger quantities and store it in the refrigerator so you can be portioning it each and every time you're ready to cook. Okay, so as I have added my palm oil already, then I'll add my already prepared stew, which is also stored in the refrigerator. So it can be used. So this is my stew. Alright. It's just from the refrigerator. So this is how it will look like. Then you put a generous amount inside this to due to your preference, okay? And you stir. You stir. Then you stir, stir, stir. In less than 5 minutes, you'll be having a very nice bean stew to go with your rice, with your boiled yam, even with banku. Is African made food. Okay. Thanks for having us. Follow us, subscribe, and turn on notification buttons for more exciting videos. Bye.